There are a lot of people who want to access the data and OBB folders within the root Android directory, but Google has been trying to prevent this from happening when using apps currently installed on your smartphone or tablet. So today, I want to show you a quick and easy way of accessing these folders without needing to have root access. This method does require a laptop or desktop PC, but I'm also working on a video that will show you how this is done directly on your device. So if you're looking for that instead, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be made aware of the video when it has been uploaded. However, I think it's fair to assume that most people who want to access these specific folders will likely have a way to use a computer as well. But I do understand that this is not ideal for everyone, which is why I have other videos on this topic planned for the near future. So let's go ahead and connect our Android smartphone or tablet to the PC with a USB cable. After it has been plugged in, you are likely to get a charging notification directly on the device, and you will need to tap on that notification and change it from charging mode over to file transfer mode. And after that is done, we are going to then open up a File Explorer window on the PC. Now, this may look different to you depending on what operating system the computer is using, but most Windows users will be able to find this by double-clicking on the My Computer icon on the desktop. Mac users will want to use the Finder program instead, while Linux users will likely find the home icon to be quite similar. So let's double click on the smartphone or tablet that appears here after the USB mode has been switched to file transfer. So then we're going to select internal shared storage. And then we can browse through the Android file system just as you would expect. So we can find the data and OBB directories by double-clicking on the Android folder and then either diving into data or the OBB folder. So if, for example, I wanted to paste some files into the Yuzu data directory, I would first access the Android/data folder from this window, and then I would scroll down until I found the Yuzu folder. Now from here I can go into the files directory and paste any files that I want in here. The same can be said if I needed to access the OBB folder of an application. First, you would dive into the Android folder and then go into the OBB directory before finding the app that you want to modify in here. If you're curious about how we can bypass Android's scoped storage issue and access those directories directly from the phone or tablet itself, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you'll know exactly when that video has been uploaded. I hope to have it on the channel by the end of this week, but if it ends up being delayed, then it shouldn't take me longer than next week to have it ready for the community.